Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
21 Shares has launched an exchange-traded product in Europe, providing investors with exposure to Crypto.com's Cronos token, the asset manager said. The ETP is listed on Euronext Paris and Amsterdam exchanges, 21 Shares said. AMD forecasts second quarter revenue above Wall Street estimates, betting on robust demand for its artificial intelligence chips, even as trade tensions cloud the global economic outlook. Oil prices climbed about 3% on signs of higher demand in Europe and China, lower production in the US, tensions in the Middle East, and as buyers emerged the day after prices fell to a 4-year low.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.